Today I'm going to teach you how to create an illustrated t-shirt design for a rock band. I've been designing rock band t-shirts for a long time, and I've learned a lot along the way. And so in this course, I'm going to take you through my process from beginning to end. First, I'm going to share with you how I use words to come up with ideas. Yes, words. This is actually a secret that I've been doing for a long time. I'm going to share it with you. Next, I'm going to show you how I research and gather information for how to create my designs. Next, I'm going to show you my sketching phase and how I work up from really rough sketches to a final detailed sketch. From there, I'm going to take us into Illustrator to actually recreate the whole idea as a beautiful, crisp vector. From there, I'm going to talk to you about color and texture and how to really amp up the whole design. And last but not least, I'm going to show you how I export the file not only for screen print, but also for print on demand. These are two different ways of production that I think are really important to know how to export for. So I hope that you'll join me in this course because I'm actually going to challenge you to create your own rock band t-shirt. I'm going to show you step by step how I do it and encourage you to follow along. So I hope that I'll see you in the course, and I'll talk to you soon.